So these are the two boxes here. I'm going to open up this one first. So you can see they're calling this the LED string work light. And so like I said, there's 10 lights and they have this opaque dome on them to help soften the light. And then on the back of each of them, they have these little carabiners here to help hook them up or hang them on something. And then on the end of that string, this is a 100-foot cord. You can see it has the two-prong plug here so that you can plug in grounded devices to the end of this string of lights. But this is the two-prong version. And then over here is the 360-degree lantern. I'm going to pull out this foam. You can see it has a handle here on the top, and this handle has a catch right here, so you can actually, if you had a pole or something to hang this from, you could just readily pop that on there. But as I pull this out, it has, you'll see here, a 6-foot cord, and this is a 3-prong light, so this is grounded. And this is 30,000 lumens. It has a metal cage around it, and you can see here on the side that it has a 3-prong plug here as well. So you could have another device running off of this outlet on the side of the lantern. And the lantern has not only all of these lights around the side of it, but it also has lights on the bottom. So if you hang it up high, it will illuminate directly beneath it as well as all around it. Something else that this lantern light comes with is this right here, which is a cable that has 2 carabiners on either end in through loops in the cable, so that you can use this to just help you conveniently hang it up in varied locations. And then also, let's check the wattage of these lights. So with my handy dandy electricity meter here, I'm going to plug this in. All 30,000 lumens, that just changed. 233 watts for 30,000 lumens. And if you want to just see the amps at 120 volts, that's 1.94 amps. And yes, that is really bright. You probably can't see it on the camera because the camera compensates for it, but it's illuminating this area quite nicely. Now for this string of lights here, let's plug this in. And the watts is 132 for 16,000 lumens. That's not too bad. And looking at the amps on this one, that is 1.54 amps.